Hiya, I'm Emma from WTTB. Not everyone has access to tools like Acrobat or InDesign, but don't worry, we've got a bit of magic up our sleeves. If you see a Canva icon on one of our products, that means there's a free Canva template ready to use. Click the icon and a new tab will open with the template in Canva. From here, you can add your text, drag in images, and change colors and fonts however you like. You can also use the Design tab to choose from Canva's library of pre-made designs as a starting point. When designing, keep text inside the safe zone, highlighted on the template. And expand your backgrounds into the bleed, so there are no white edges when it's trimmed. Be sure to use high-quality images at 300 dpi or higher, so everything prints nice and sharp. When you're finished, click the Share button and then hit Download. Choose PDF print, tick crop marks and bleed, and switch to CMYK color mode for the best color match. Once your file is downloaded, head back to WTTB, upload the artwork to your order and hit Submit. Then leave the rest to us as we work our print sorcery to transform your design to perfect printed products. For more Canva tips and print advice, check out our other videos or pop over to the Canva Hub.